Hi guys, welcome to 2-Minute PLC Tricks. In today's video, we will find out how to install GSD file for Siemens TIA. First of all, open up the Siemens TIA software, go to the Options menu and select the Manage General Station Description File GSD. Once it's open, you have to give the source path. So select the folder where you have the GSD file stored. In my case, I have to go to the specific folder. Just select the folder that has all the GSD file and click on the select folder. You will see all the files which are installed and not installed. You can pick and choose which one you need to install. So in my case, I have the last two one not installed. Click the check mark and then press the install. After a few seconds, you will see that all the GSD files will be installed. That's it. Well, if you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more time-saving tricks in the future, please subscribe to 2-Minute PLC Tricks. See you in the next video. Cheers.